Hello everyone. This is MINJCODE, a seller who understands your pain points, especially those related to cash register challenges. Today, I'm here to help you say goodbye to the chaos and take your business to the next level. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's unbox it together. Wow! Everyone, check this out, it's our star of the day. The touchscreen POS machine with customer display. Isn't it a lugger? This customer display screen is a real gem. Customers can clearly see their transaction details and payment amounts, making purchases more transparent and reassuring. This POS terminal features a sleek, refined finish and a clean, elegant design that will instantly elevate the ambience of any store. Plus, its touchscreen operates with remarkable smoothness. It's as easy to use as your smartphone.